Hello everybody, hope everybody is doing great. Welcome to my channel Affiliate Conversion. Generally I upload videos on every Thursday. Meanwhile I started uploading videos on Mondays to give you tips about affiliate marketing, tips and tricks. This is very short video guys where I'm going to show you free traffic for affiliate marketers. So if you're an affiliate marketer beginner, you must tap this 3 best traffic platform guys right away, right? So if you're first time here guys, do subscribe my channel Affiliate Conversion. You can watch few of my videos before you subscribe. Put the bell notification. So right now guys, the first best free traffic source for any beginners to tap is guys YouTube Short. Okay, this is a very short form videos like Instagram Reel. You must tap it right now, right away guys. And here you can see if you're into manifestation and law of attraction niche, you can see this channel, right? They are uploading these short videos of 10 second, 13 second, 6 second, and they're getting tons of traffic guys here. If you're into weight loss product, if you're promoting Digistore product or a ClickBank product, here you can see this is again a short video which they uploaded, 9-second video guys, which brought 1.1 million views. Okay, here you can see this is how they are uploading these videos. I'm going to make a very depth video in shorts very soon. So here you can see this channel is entirely a new channel guys, build up on with this shorts video only. Okay, in weight loss niche, whatever the niche you are guys, look at this tool, right? If you're promoting woodworking offers, this is an amazing, right? They have created this video. Make sure guys you're not using other people's videos and music. Okay, and if you are into weight loss keto niche, look at this, right? They're uploading consistent videos. So this is the time guys, you must tap this traffic source, right? And to create these kinds of videos guys, you can use Canva. Canva recently introduced this video guys, a video editor over here, which doesn't have many features, but that is enough to create video and post. Okay, the link of this software is given in the description, or else you can also search in Google. But meanwhile guys, Short is the #1 traffic source to drive to your affiliate link to promote your affiliate offers. Also, I'm going to bring a depth video very soon. Now the second best free traffic source is guys Instagram and Instagram Reel. Whereas guys, Instagram can give you faster sales. You can promote your offer in the story, in the post, reel, as well as in the IGTV also. Here you can see all of these platforms are amazing, but reels are doing outstanding. So here you can see tons of views and likes, right? 14,000 views and 10,000 views, right? All these reels are not made by me. You can use other people's content here and you can give the credits to them, and it is doing amazing. Whatever your niche, right? This is make money online niche. Here you can see law of attraction niche. Here you can see you can upload a lot of different videos, or you can do your own branding. It's all up to you. Okay, so this is amazing, another traffic platform you must tap. If you are a beginner, you should not run in the internet guys for looking for traffic. It is already there, right? Shorts and reels. And if you are into the keto niche, here you can see in the keto also you can upload a lot of different videos, right, related to shorts. Okay, and here you can see if you're into weight loss niche, if you're promoting ClickBank offers in weight loss and all, this is amazing. You can get amazing traffic from this platform, so you don't need to run back of traffic. So this is the second best traffic platform for any affiliate marketing beginner guys. And the third best free traffic for affiliate marketer beginners are guys idea pins, right? How Instagram have a reel guys, Pinterest have this idea pins. Okay, and this is also amazing. Whatever the niche you are into, right? This is a weight loss niche, and here you can see these are the idea pins here. And here you can see this is into the law of attraction niche, and these pins are driving tons of traffic guys. Here you can see this is one of my pin which I uploaded yesterday, and you can see a lot of impressions, a lot of pin click getting from search engine traffic. Okay, that is the reason Pinterest is one of my favorite free traffic platform to drive or to promote your affiliate offer. So right now guys, if you are a beginner and if you're an affiliate marketer guys, and if you're trying to promote, first you have to build up your short, okay, your reels, and then only you can promote your affiliate offer. And one of the best part guys, all of these video aspect ratios are same, which you can build with Canva, because I'm going to bring a very depth videos on shorts as well as in reel very soon, and you will see my next video on this week Thursday. Keep smiling and stay safe.